Hello students. So now we will start with the next part of your chapter number 3rd, that is private, public and global enterprise. And in this we will discuss about the government companies, because earlier we have discussed departmental undertaking, public corporation, and now it's turn of government companies. So let's see what is actually the government companies. So on your screen you can see these are the some images which is representing the government companies like NTPC, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electronicals Limited, Indian Oil, ONGC, Bharat Petroleum, and this Coal India. So these are the certain examples of your government companies. So moving further, the question is that what exactly is government company? Okay, before understanding, there is a question in my mind, or question you must be all having, that is what exactly is government company? How can you define government company? So it is very simple. Any company in which the paid up share capital is of 51%. Okay, the paid up share capital of the government is 51%, and it is actually held by central or state government. It can be completely held by central government or completely by state government, or it can be partially by central or state government. या तो दोनों ही सेपरेट अपना 51% शेयर कैपिटल ले सकती है, या फिर दोनों कंबाइंड पार्टनरशिप में कंबाइंड फॉर्म में 51% ऑफ पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल किसी भी कंपनी की लेती है, सो दैट विल बी नोन एज योर गवर्नमेंट कंपनी. ठीक है. Why only 51%? Question is that why only 51%? Because 100 में से like if you are reducing 51, तो you will be left with 49, and as compared to this 49, 51 is higher. So that is why those companies who are having, the government companies are having 51% of paid up share capital, they will be known as a government company. Okay, so here we are having a particular examples. What are the examples of these government companies? The example is SAIL and HMT. Okay, what is the full form of SAIL? That is Steel Authority India Limited, and HMT means Hindustan Machine Tools. So these are the two examples related to your गवर्नमेंट कंपनी, यानी कि दोनों में ही गवर्नमेंट का 51% पार्टिसिपेशन है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? सो मूविंग फर्दर, विल मूव ऑन द नेक्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, हु गवर्न्स गवर्नमेंट कंपनी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे दिमाग में ये आता है कि ये गवर्नमेंट कंपनी जब 51% शेयर्स में पार्टिसिपेट करती है तो इसे चलाने वाला कौन है, इसे रेगुलेट करने वाला कौन है? So basically the answer is very simple. All these government companies are ruled or governed by the provision of Companies Act 1956. Very simple. Government companies, they are also regulated by the Companies Act. यानी कि all the powers, limitation, merits, everything is mentioned in this Companies Act 1956. Is it clear? So move on to the next concept, that is we will discuss about the features. What are the features of government company? Very simple. The first feature is it gets incorporated under Companies Act. सबसे पहला फीचर खुद में ही यही है, अभी हमने पढ़ा है कि it is actually regulated by Companies Act, और कंपनीज एक्ट को रेगुलेट करने का मतलब है दे आर गेटिंग देमसेल्व्स रजिस्टर्ड अकॉर्डिंग टू द कंपनीज एक्ट. तो रजिस्ट्रेशन इज डन इन द कंपनीज एक्ट, एंड अगेन हु इज कंट्रोलिंग इट, हु इज द पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ दिस कंपनीज एक्ट? दैट इज योर, इट इज पार्टली ओन्ड बाय गवर्नमेंट. जो भी आपकी गवर्नमेंट है या तो पूरी तरह से गवर्नमेंट कंपनीज करेगी या फिर इट इज पार्टली ओन्ड बाय द गवर्नमेंट. ओके, next feature is managed by the board of directors. Generally these government companies, they are managed by the board of directors. Generally जो government company है, they are electing or they are actually नॉमिनेटिंग दिस बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर। तो ये बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर जो है इनका नॉमिनेशन गवर्नमेंट करती है, ठीक है, और गवर्नमेंट के ही बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स हैं, तो बेसिकली डायरेक्टली या इनडायरेक्टली गवर्नमेंट का ही इसमें इंटरफेरेंस या मैनेजमेंट रहता है। नेक्स्ट वन इज सेपरेट लीगल एंटिटी। ऑब्वियसली हमने एक चीज पढ़ी है कि व्हेनेवर एनीथिंग गेट्स रजिस्टर्ड, जब कोई भी चीज को हम रजिस्टर्ड करा देते हैं, रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस में वो आ जाता है, तो ऑब्वियसली इट has automatically converted into a separate legal entity, means the business is considered to be separated from the members. Okay, so these were the features. Moving on, now we will discuss more features of it, that is ministerial control, financial autonomy, efficient management. Ministerial control, as we have discussed here, it is completely controlled and nominated by the government company. जो भी आपके board of directors होते हैं, they are actually nominated by the company itself, I mean by the government itself, and obviously they are enjoying financial autonomy, financial, क्योंकि 51% आपका paid up share capital है, तो in this whatever the decision relating to anything or relating to your finance, everything is being head out by the government. And obviously efficient management basically means as the government is having a complete control, so in this there is no lack of finance की कोई कमी नहीं होती है, and in that they are also in a position to hire the experts or the professionals. So due to any reason if they are facing any kind of problem, तो इनके पास next option है कि they can hire the professionals. Okay, come on to the next part, next feature, that is accountable to minister or department concerned. So according to this point, generally these government companies are responsible to the concerned minister or to the concerned government representative. Why? क्योंकि हमने अभी पढ़ा था कि it is actually wholly यानी कि completely or partially they are actually managed by the government. ठीक है, या तो वो सेंट्रल होगी या जो भी आपकी स्टेट होगी। तो जनरली जब ये गवर्नमेंट के थ्रू रेगुलेट होती है तो ऑब्वियसली गवर्नमेंट इसकी 51% पेड अप शेयर कैपिटल की मेंबर्स भी होती है, तो इस वजह से वट एवर द वर्किंग इज बीन डन, वट एवर द एनीथिंग ऑपरेशन और वर्किंग इज देयर, दैट हैज टू बी रेगुलेटेड, दे हैव टू रिपोर्ट टू द कंसर्न मिनिस्टर और द कंसर्न डिपार्टमेंट। इज इट क्लियर? क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट का इंटरफेरेंस है, गवर्नमेंट इसमें मेजॉरिटी में है, तो गवर्नमेंट को ये भी पता करना होगा कि हमारी जो वर्किंग है, हमारा जो डिपार्टमेंट है या गवर्नमेंट है, वो किस तरीके से वर्क कर रही है। ओके, सो these were the features regarding to your government companies. Now next we will move on with the next part, that is